The MRCOOL Care Kit is an essential tool for keeping your MRCOOL running to its full potential. Follow these simple instructions and enjoy comfort for years to come. First, turn off and disconnect power to the condenser. Then, remove any debris that can be easily removed by hand. Next, thoroughly shake foam cleaner and then spray it onto the condenser coils completely and allow it to soak in for a few minutes. Then, using a water hose, rinse the dirt and cleaning foam from the condenser coils. Avoid spraying any water onto the electrical components. Now you'll head inside to clean the indoor air handler. If your internal unit is a ceiling cassette, this concludes application of the MRCOOL Care Kit for your system. Now, for those with wall-mounted MRCOOL air handlers, ensure power is off to your air handler and then open the front cover and remove the filters. Next, you'll hang the water collection bag under the air handler so it sits evenly underneath. Tie the black strap over the air handler to ensure any foam or water applied later will fall into the collection bag. Attach the drain pipe to the spout at the bottom of the bag. Then, run the end of the drain hose into an empty receptacle. Shake the foam cleaner and spray onto the evaporator coils in front and at the top of the handler. Allow the foam to sit for a few minutes and work into the coils. While that sets, you'll assemble the pull rod sprayer. Insert one end of the round plastic tube into the small opening on the bottom side of the sprayer. Then, fill the MRCOOL bottle with clean water and attach it to sprayer, allowing the tube to sit inside of the bottle. Twist the bottle until it's secured to the sprayer. The bottle has two spray options, one a direct stream and the other a misting setting. Now that the foam is sat for a few minutes, use the sprayer to rinse any dirt and excess foam from the coils. Be careful not to spray any electrical components on the right side of the handler. Allow any water or foam to drip neatly into the collection bag. Then remove the bag from the air handler and disconnect the drain hose to the receptacle or bucket. Remove the used air freshening filter and then clean the filters with warm soapy water and then rinse with fresh water. Allow filters to air dry before placing them back into the system. Insert new air freshening filter once dry. Reinstall the filters into air handler and close the front cover. If you're cleaning several air handlers in a multi-zone system, repeat the air handler cleaning steps for each one. Now that you're done, your MRCOOL system will be running optimally. We recommend you repeat this process once every 6 months. Thank you for taking great care of your MRCOOL system. MRCOOL, comfort made simple.